Sped teachers and kindergarten teachers, let's use our helper job chart to teach those important life skills that all students need out there. What I like to do is take a little chart like this, grab the kids' pictures, and have a picture by each job for the whole week. So everybody goes down one to change to their new job. And here are some of my favorite jobs. I love having a motivator in their classroom that goes around and encourages people. So much fun. Seat warmer might be one of my most genius ideas. I had one year where I didn't have enough jobs and I came up with this. The kids love to sit in my teacher chair and keep it warm for me for when I come back. The dishwasher, great life skill, and sometimes you just need some little dishes washed. Photographer, super fun. DJ, whenever it's music time, they press play for me. Technology support, Lord knows we need it in the classrooms. Teacher's assistant, pet caretaker, in case you've got a pet, of course. Comedian, love having a joke of the day in class. If you don't do it, K through 12, pick up yourself and get it rolling. Plant waterer, now I know this sounds like you could drown your plants, but just use a little spray bottle and they can mist it each day. Great for OT skills. Light switcher, friend counter for attendance. Meteorologist, super fun. If you don't have a window in your classroom, just send the kids to peek outside of an outside door. And straw counter or helper for knowing how many days are in the school year. There are so many more ideas that you can use for this that teach life skills, teach communication skills, and help kids have fun while learning how to cope and react to the world.